Number 1. 1977 GMC Sierra Grande, $7,900, Antelope, California. This 1977 GMC Sierra Grande 3/4-ton pickup is a highly original example of late 1970s American truck durability. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission, it offers strong torque and dependable performance typical of General Motors trucks of this era. The presence of power steering, power brakes, tilt wheel, and factory air conditioning adds comfort rarely found in many surviving work trucks. The truck is described as running and driving great, making it a practical classic that can still serve daily duty or weekend cruising. Aside from a small rust spot on the right front fender, it appears well preserved and honest. Overall, this is a solid survivor with excellent usability and classic appeal. Number 2. 1964 Chevrolet C10 Short Box Stepside, $9,800, Marysville, Washington. This 1964 Chevrolet C10 Stepside represents one of the most iconic light trucks of the 1960s. Equipped with a 230 cubic inch inline-six engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, it delivers a simple and reliable driving experience. The mention of smooth shifting and strong running condition suggests good mechanical health. Its California heritage and blue plate history add collector interest, while the patina finish enhances its vintage charm. The truck is also an excellent candidate for a modern engine swap, which is a common upgrade path for this generation. Overall, it balances originality with potential for customization. Number 3. 1959 Chevrolet Apache Pickup Project, $20,500, Camarillo, California. This 1959 Chevrolet Apache project is an entry-level restoration candidate from the Task Force era, known for its distinctive styling and wraparound windshield. Priced affordably, it is clearly a project vehicle sold as is, with limited details and a lien title that may require additional paperwork. The automatic transmission setup suggests prior modification. While the condition is unknown, this truck offers a blank canvas for builders seeking a classic late 1950s pickup. It is best suited for experienced restorers willing to invest time and resources. Number 4. 1964 Chevrolet K10 4-wheel drive, $9,500, Chico, California. This 1964 Chevrolet K10 4-wheel drive is a desirable early factory 4-wheel drive truck, featuring a long bed stepside configuration. Powered by a rebuilt 283 cubic inch V8 with a Rochester 2-barrel carburetor and upgraded camshaft, it offers solid performance. The conversion to an electronic ignition system improves reliability over the original point setup. The drivetrain, including transmission and transfer case, has been rebuilt, and the 4-wheel drive system is fully functional. Although the odometer is not working, the estimated mileage since rebuild is relatively low. This truck stands out as a capable vintage off-road classic with mechanical upgrades. Number 5. 1971 Chevrolet Pickup, $6,500, Sun Valley, Nevada. This 1971 Chevrolet truck falls within the highly collectible Action Line generation, known for its clean design and strong aftermarket support. While it carries a clean title, it requires engine work and shows some rust, indicating a project-level condition. With approximately 100,000 miles, it likely needs mechanical refreshing. However, its solid platform and popularity make it a worthwhile restoration candidate. This truck is ideal for someone looking to build a custom or restore a classic early 1970s pickup. Number 6. 1978 Dodge D150, $7,000, Spokane, Washington. This 1978 Dodge D150 short box is a stylish late 1970s pickup equipped with a 360 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. It features suspension modifications, including control arms and lowering shackles, giving it a lowered stance and improved road presence. The truck is described as a daily driver, indicating solid reliability. While it may need carburetor tuning, it remains a usable and enjoyable classic. Dodge trucks from this era are gaining recognition, and this example offers both drivability and customization appeal. Number 7. 1978 Chevrolet Louvre Mikado, $7,800, Hesperia, California. This 1978 Chevrolet Louvre Mikado is a rare compact pickup built in Japan by Isuzu and rebadged for Chevrolet. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine with a manual transmission, it is known for fuel efficiency and durability. The truck is described as completely stock with no rust, which is uncommon for these models. Its near original condition and rarity make it appealing to collectors of unique import-based trucks. This is a lightweight, reliable classic with growing niche value. Number 8. 1987 Chevrolet C10 Shortbed, $9,500, Kennewick, Washington. Located in Kennewick, Washington, this 1987 Chevrolet C10 Shortbed has been upgraded with a modern 5.3-liter engine swap from a 2001 Chevrolet Tahoe. This significantly improves power, reliability, and drivability compared to the original setup. Additional upgrades include aluminum radiator, electric fans, digital gauges, and dual exhaust. The truck runs and drives well and has a solid body overall, though it requires minor cab repairs. This square body truck combines classic styling with modern performance, making it highly desirable among enthusiasts. Number 9. 1956 Ford F-350 stake bed, $15,000, North Branch, Minnesota. This 1956 Ford F-350 stake bed is a heavy-duty classic truck that has been partially restored. Equipped with a V8 engine and manual transmission, it maintains its workhorse character. The truck is operational and includes many new parts, though it still requires bodywork and paint completion. Stake bed trucks are less common and offer unique utility and display value. This example is ideal for someone seeking a near-completed restoration project with strong fundamentals. Number 10. 1954 Chevrolet 3100 pickup, $15,000, Spokane, Washington. This 1954 Chevrolet 3100 features a small block 302 V8 upgrade, providing improved performance over the original engine. Finished in a bright orange color, it stands out as a driver-quality classic rather than a show vehicle. The updated interior and reliable running condition make it suitable for regular use. The Advanced Design Series trucks are highly collectible, and this example offers a balance of classic styling and modern drivability. It is a solid choice for enthusiasts wanting a usable vintage pickup. Number 11. 1965 Chevrolet C10 half-ton, $15,000, San Mateo, California. Owned since 1974, this 1965 Chevrolet C10 has a long history of consistent use and maintenance. Powered by an inline-six engine with a manual transmission, it remains fully operational despite high mileage. The engine was rebuilt in 1976, and the truck has been repainted and maintained over decades. The addition of a hydraulic lift adds practical utility. While it shows signs of long-term use, its originality and documented ownership history enhance its value. This is a dependable working classic with authentic character. Number 12. 1969 Ford Bumpside Rollback Tow Truck, $12,500, Windsor, Colorado. This 1969 Ford Rollback Tow Truck is a unique and eye-catching classic, equipped with a rebuilt 428 cubic inch V8 engine. The automatic transmission and power takeoff driven rollback bed make it fully functional as a wrecker. Its patina finish adds to the rat rod aesthetic, while the long-term ownership suggests consistent care. Trucks like this are rare and appeal to collectors seeking something distinctive. It offers both mechanical capability and strong visual presence. Number 13. 1985 Chevrolet C10 Shortbed Baja Style, $14,000, Spring Valley, Nevada. This 1985 Chevrolet C10 Shortbed has been transformed into a Baja-style off-road truck. Powered by a freshly built 350 cubic inch V8 with performance components, it delivers strong and reliable power. The automatic transmission and upgraded suspension provide improved off-road capability and ride comfort. Additional features, such as dual alternators, electric air conditioning, and auxiliary fuel tank, enhance practicality. With aggressive tires and suspension modifications, it is both capable and fun to drive. This truck blends classic square body design with off-road performance upgrades.